Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 4.5. Okay, so the first question is solve the problems. You just have to simply subtract 24,929 from 8,568. Okay, so we will write these numbers here like this and then we have to subtract. Now 8 minus 9 is not possible, so that's why we will borrow 1 from here. So it will become 18. Okay, so then afterwards for 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, then 5 will be left here. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 5 minus 9 is not possible, that's why we will borrow one number from here, so it will become 15. 15 minus 9 is 6 and 7 will be left here, so 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, then now here as you can see 4 minus 9 is not possible. 2939 we will subtract from 5244. So the bigger number we have to write up and the smaller number we have to write down. Always keep that in mind. Now 14 minus 9, 1 we have taken from here. So 14 minus 9 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 9 is not possible. That's why we will borrow 1 and it will become 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this question is given as homework. Okay. Then your second question that we will be doing today. A worker earned rupees 9,876 in a particular month. What were his savings if he spent 8,769 in that month? Okay, so what is the amount that he has earned? Amount is rupees 9,876 and what his spending is 8,769. Now we have to find that how much saving he is having. So इतने पैसे उन्होंने उनको अर्न किए हैं, इतने पैसे इन्होंने खर्च कर दिए ना, हमें ये बताना है दैट व्हाट इज़ दिस सेविंग, कितने पैसे सेव किए. सो आपको इसमें से क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो नाउ total amount earned in a particular month is rupees 9,876. Amount spent in a month is rupees 8,769. Now next third statement will be amount saved in the month. Now what is the amount that is saved in the month? We have to subtract. Okay, so for subtraction what you have to do is 16 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is not possible, so we will borrow 16 minus 9 is 7. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1107 was saved by the worker. Okay. Third question, I have given you homework. What is the question? Let me explain. There are 5,675 workers in a factory. So how many total workers are there? 5,675. If 3,759 is of them are men, so number of men are 3,759. Find the number of women workers. You have to find the number of women workers. Okay, so these are the total number of workers. These are men. You have to find the women workers here. So if you can subtract this number from this, then you will get the number of women workers. Okay. Sandhya is a travel agent. Her record shows 4,623 people visited England. How many people visited England? 4,623. 3,351 people visited France. Now number of people visited France is 3,351. Okay, which country had more visitors? How many more? Okay, so you have to tell which country is having how many, which country is having more visitors and and how many. You have to tell. Now number of people visited England. You can write number of visitors visited England. So 4,623. Number of people visited France is 3,351. So which one is bigger now? 4,623 is bigger. So that's why England has more visitors than France. Okay. Then afterwards number of more visitors in England than France is 4,623 minus 3,351. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 1 we will borrow as 2 minus 5 is not possible. So that's why 12 minus 5 is 7. Now 5 minus 3 is 2 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1272 more visitors visited England than France. Okay, this is the fourth question. Now question number 5th. A library can accommodate. Accommodate का मतलब होता है रखी जा सकती है, ठीक है, एडजस्ट कर जा सकती है 7025 बुक्स है यार. आप उसमें 7000 एक लाइब्रेरी के अंदर 7025 बुक्स रख सकते हो. इफ देयर आर 3123 बुक्स ऑफ इंग्लिश फिक्शन एंड नॉन फिक्शन, फिक्शन एंड नॉन फिक्शन इंग्लिश बुक्स जो हैं आपकी 3123 बुक्स रख सकते हो, और अदर बुक्स जो है 2987 बुक्स रख सकते हो. हाउ मेनी मोर बुक्स कैन दी लाइब्रेरी एकोमोडेट. अब नाउ हाउ मेनी मोर बुक्स यू कैन कीप. आप और ज़्यादा कितनी लाइब्रेरी में बुक्स जो है रख सकते हो, ये फाइंड आउट करना है. तो पहले हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना होगा टोटल बुक्स हमने कितनी रख दिया उसके अंदर, हाउ मेनी बुक्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी केप्ट इन दी लाइब्रेरी. वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू नंबर्स. Then after adding this numbers, what will be the sum? We will subtract that sum from 7025. Then we will be able to know that how many more books we can keep. Okay. So now firstly what we will write is total number of books a library can accommodate, that is 7025. Okay. Then afterwards number of English books is both fiction and non-fiction 3123. Number of other books is 2987. Okay. Now total number of books in library we have to find. अभी कितनी रख दी हमने उसके अंदर, so we have to add this number. 3 plus 7 is 0, 10 sorry, so 1 we will keep it here. Then 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 1 11, 1. Then again 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 11, 1 again we will keep it here. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So number of books now we are already having in the library 6110. Now number of more books that library can accommodate. Now total number of books that we can keep, and how many the number of books that are already kept in the library is 6110. We have to subtract here. So 7025 we will subtract from 6110 we will subtract from 7025. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus 1 is not possible, we will borrow, 10 minus 1 is 9, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So 915 more books can be accommodated in the library. Means you can keep more books like this. 915 books we can keep it more. A train can accommodate 5348. Same type of question कि train के अंदर इतने लोग आ सकते हैं. On a Sunday 1679 people traveled by the train. Same type of question. Now number of people traveled in the train and number of the total number a train can accommodate इतना. How many seats were vacant? Vacant means कितनी seats खाली थी. Okay, so you have to subtract this number from this and you will get the answer. Now the sum of two number is 8643. One of the number is 1548. Find the other number. हम already ये वाले type के questions कर चुके हैं, but I will tell you again. So this is homework. Question number 6 is homework. We are doing question number 7 here. The sum of two number is 8643. Now the first number that has been given is 1548. Second number we have to find. When the sum is given, first number is given. If you have to find the second number or first number, you have to subtract the number from the sum. So sum में से हम first number को minus कर देंगे. So then afterwards what you will do is 13 minus 8 is 5. We have taken one number from here, as 3 minus 8 is not possible. Then this has become 3. 3 minus 4 is again not possible, so we will borrow. 13 minus 4 is 9. Then 5 minus 5 is 0 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So the second number is 7095. So by this we have finished our exercise.